Children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. I am your grade 4 English teacher children. Right, today's date 14-12-2020. Block 16 we are doing theme of a story. Our topic today is S4, say theme of the story. What do you mean by theme of the story? Main concept of the story. See, a beautiful village. We have read about the beautiful village. Okay, what we have studied in that lesson children? See, we have studied that forest considered a friend. First we have studied in first paragraph, forest is friend for everyone in that village. Second we have seen that old village in the forest. The forest is more older than a village. We have seen the next page children. Next, village had fields, ponds and rivers. In third page we have seen that village have ponds, river, lake and fields children. This we have seen in this lesson, a beautiful village. No? So what do you mean by the theme of the story? Theme is nothing but the main concept of the story. What are the main thing in the story? We have the forest is friend of people in the village, and forest is more older than a village children. Then we have seen that old village. Yes, it is more older than a village. Then next we have seen that even animals, plants, all are friends in that village. What happened in that lesson children? Due to when they not listen and then cut down the trees, there were no rainfall. This is also one theme of the lesson children. So let us see in our workbook now. See children, write today's date 14-12-2020 S4 theme of the story. Children, see this one you should write with your own. List 5 key details from the story. What is the name of the story? Once in a village. 5 key details. What are key details children? I have explained you here. See, in page number 41. Key details. I told you these are key details of the story. This you should write here children. You can add anything extra, you can write with your own. Next children, read the key details written above and write theme of the story in your own words. See children, I have written this one. See, the story theme is that people do not care for or respect things until they are in trouble. Yes or no children? People in the village are not caring for the forest. When they are in trouble, they came to know about the importance of the forest children. Next one. Do we have a problem of not caring for our nature? Natural resources in the real world. Explain with help of an example. You can write with your own, otherwise see you can write this one. Yes, we do not have a problem of not caring for our natural resources. Like water, for example, many children in school wash their hands and leave the taps open, or sometimes they do not close open taps. All these waste water. Water is what children? It is a natural resource. So you can give any other example children. Example of a natural resources children. I gave here the example when I'll see everyone will open the tap. No, that is why I wrote this example. You can write your own example children, this one. Okay, hope you all understood children. Complete these key details of this story. You can write any lines which are main important, which are known as key details. This is a theme of the story. Next, this one. Okay. Complete this beta. Hope you all understood. Thank you. Have a nice day.